In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I made this wall-mounted folding desk. I started by cutting all the pieces for the desk using my track saw. Then I cut all the pieces to length using my miter saw. I started assembling everything by putting together the legs. I used pocket holes as my joinery method to attach them. Then I put together a large box frame that will be attached to the wall. I gave the frame a good sanding with 120 grit and then attached the back on. I covered my workbench with a large polythene sheet so I wouldn't get any paint or marks on it. Next I filled all the screw holes with wood filler. I then sanded the legs, starting from 120 grit up to 240 grit. I then sanded the top and got on with some painting. I painted everything matte white using a paintbrush. I then sprayed a thin coat of clear lacquer, and I got this idea from Keith Brown, an awesome woodworking YouTuber. I then marked where the hinges needed to go, so I could then use a straight bit on my router so that the hinges would sit flush against the wood. Once done with the router, I use the chisel to clean up the edges. I then just screwed on the hinges and made sure they sat flush against the wood. I then made some other grooves on the underside of the worktop, but that would be the front of the table once it's folded up. I could then attach the other side of the hinges to the tabletop so they could fold up neatly. Once the legs were folded, I could attach a metal stay on either side of the table. I then marked where 2 European style hinges needed to go, and then they would be connected to the box frame, which would be attached onto the wall. I then attached them to the box frame once they were onto the top. And this is the finished result. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.